I want to introduce to you, this is the Xkey Air 25 Bluetooth MIDI keyboard. Now this fits very nicely with the Granny Smith ecosystem. So you can have this here, this little trackpad over there. You can have this here. This is a keyboard. You can have it above, you can have it below. And I just like that it's super flat because it is nice to type on a keyboard. It's nice to play a keyboard that feels kind of like a keyboard. You get the velocity control with this, you get some controls on this side, so when you're playing this on your computer, you're not gonna get like, you know, evenly loud notes where it's like the full velocity. It's, you know, you can hit it softly, hit it kind of hard, but it's just a super cool thing to have, and you can easily travel with it. So maybe at home, you have like a full situation, but you can easily stick this in a book bag, and away you go, creating that music, creating that next hit song, you know, for people to listen to with their ears, okay?